Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie and today we're going to be talking about the OPPO F11 Pro. It's about to be launched in a couple of days, but we're here to give you a little sneak peek of the new F series device that now has a pop-up selfie camera. Now, I have low EQ and I've already unboxed the device, but that doesn't mean that I can't show you what comes inside the package. Inside the box, you'll find all the accessories that usually come with most smartphones out in the market. You've got a SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide and other documentation, a pair of earphones, a micro USB cable, plus OPPO's VOOC charger. You've also got a case that comes with a phone that's a bit of an upgrade from the usual clear jelly case. Alright, so this is going to be more of an overview in our first impressions of the F11 Pro. If you want something more in-depth, make sure you sub to the channel because our full review should be up in time for the phone's launch. So here it is guys, the OPPO F11 Pro. We got ours in Thunder Black that shifts from purple on the upper right hand corner to black and finally to blue on the bottom left. It kind of reminds us of the OPPO Find X with a mix between its color variants, Bordeaux Red and Glacier Blue. It also comes in Aurora Green if you want something a little bit more bright and eye-catching, but we hope the included case with that one isn't a smoky black so it doesn't ruin its appeal. On the right of the phone is the power button. You've got the volume rocker on the left side along with the SIM tray. Of course, you've got the pop-up camera up on top. And on the bottom is the headphone jack, speaker grill, and a micro USB port. While we would have loved to see the phone ship with USB Type-C, at least it has support for OPPO's VOOC charging, so that's a lot better than usual. There's no in-display fingerprint scanner on this device, just your good old-fashioned capacitive fingerprint scanner, along with a dual camera setup on the back of the phone, which consists of a 48 megapixel camera plus a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Of course, one of the main features of the F11 Pro is its pop-up front camera. OPPO has had a history of doing some pretty funky stuff with their shooters like they did with the N1, so it comes to no surprise that they adopt this feature. The one on this device is at 16 megapixels at f2.0, which is half of what Vivo has on the V15 Pro. We will be doing a battle between these two phones very soon, so make sure you stay tuned. Since there's no more notch on this phone, it's almost all screen. The display measures in at 6.5 inches at full HD plus resolution and has a screen-to-body ratio of nearly 91%. It's a TFT panel, but it's surprisingly vibrant and we've been enjoying it so far. Under the hood of the OPPO F11 Pro is a MediaTek Helio P70 processor that's paired with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of expandable storage. The device feels snappy so far, but we'll save the benchmarks and the rest of our experience for our full review. The phone runs on Android Pie with ColorOS 6 on top of it and is juiced up by a 4000 mAh battery. Now usually in our experience, phones with this battery capacity lasts about a day and a half and it's been holding up so far. We also managed to get around 40% with just 30 minutes of having it plugged in, so the company's claim of getting a full charge in just 80 minutes looks to be legit. As of making this video, OPPO has yet to release the official price tag or the availability for the F11 Pro, but we have been seeing leaks online that are saying it will cost 18,995 pesos. We'll take that with a grain of salt for now, but we're guessing it'll be somewhere around that price point. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next ones. If you have any questions, just leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie, peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.